Hello Jim, TechBuzz, another product in. This time you've got the JBL Harman Bluetooth version 5.1 Charge 5 speaker with 20 hours of battery life, and it comes with a nice handle up on top here, and you can see on the sides there what you get, and on the back it will tell us play and charge endlessly. So you've got 20 hours of play time, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, you've a power bank built in, and you've JB Party Boost. And that's it on the side. So we're going to open it up and see what else we get. We just need to take off these here. So you open up like so, and you're presented with this nice packaging here, play and charge endlessly. You've got Charge 5 here on this, so let's see what we've got in here. So in here we've got our cable, and by the looks of it, it's the rest of the user manuals and all that kind of stuff we expect to get. So you've got your quick start guide, you have got this booklet with a warning sign, and you've also got your other information booklet here. So this cable is USB-C to USB-A, and it's got a nice orange colour, as you can see there. It's pretty nice, and that's pretty much it there. So let's have a look at the speaker itself. Let's make sure that's everything in there, and I think we're done. So it comes with this nice cloth bag, and there you have it there. So you've got JBL here, you've got this kind of grippy material. On the sides you've got your flap here with USB-A, micro or USB-C for here as well, as you can see. And on the side here you've got your woofers or tweeters, and I presume this is the power button. The power button's up on top, so you have your buttons up here. So you've got your power on and your sync and your plus and minus and your track control there. So we're just going to power it on, see if there's any noise on the start up there. And in typical JBL fashion, you get the usual sound there. So that's what it looks like there, forced off out of the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you some sound tests afterwards and let you hear what it sounds like. We're going to test it for a while first, and then come back and let you listen to what it sounds like. But it's a nice solid product as well. There's a nice bit of weight in this, and it does feel very sturdy. And of course it's got rubber footings here on both ends, so you can place it this way or this way. It's up to yourself, and away you go. So stay tuned after the break for more.